Victor, Lima, Bravo, 2. 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 Victor, Lima, Bravo, 2.
Welcome back to Number Stations _Live UK. Today we're going to be diving into an enigmatic world of number stations, specifically focusing on the E10 Mossad Number Station. But that's not all. We will uncover the chilling mystery and episodes of exploding radios and pages linked to these secret broadcasts. Let's get started. Number stations are radio broadcasts that emit sequences of numbers, often in a robotic voice, used primarily during the Cold War. These stations served as communication tools and intelligence agencies, including the notorious Israeli Mossad. But why numbers? The sequences of constant numerals that agents decode, serving as operational instructions or information updates. It's a cryptic way to communicate without drawing attention. Now let's focus on the E10 Mossad Number Station. E10 operates on the shortwave frequencies and is believed to have utilised by the Mossad for decades. Listeners have reported hearing a robotic voice reciting numbers, often accompanied by a haunting melody. But what really sets E10 apart is a unique link to the real world events. Some claim that the broadcasts correlate with significant international events, including covert missions and intelligent operations. The mystery of the stations has led to theorists around the world to try and decode what they are trying to say. Now here's where the story gets dark. There's been some reports of radios and pages linked to these number stations malfunctioning in extreme ways, some even exploding. But how can this be? I'm now going to play you a clip of the number station at work.
Victor, Lima, Bravo, Tango, 1, 6, Romeo, 2, 3, Bravo, 2.
When devices receive a strong and modulated signal, there can be unexpected outcomes. In the rare case, this can lead to battery malfunctions or even fire hazard, resulting in reported explosions. While these claim to be a sentinel, they highlight a precarious extinct where often surrounds espionage tools for intelligent agents and their communication devices, that the stakes can become even higher. So what is the purpose of E10 and those cryptic broadcasts that haunt the airwaves? Are these simply a remnant or a bygone era? Or do they serve a complement secret purpose? Join the conversation in the comments below to think what you on these number stations and what they're really hiding. And if you ever try tuning to E10 broadcasts, well, expect the unexpected. I have made a couple of the videos which I will link down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more deep in dives to our mysteries of the world. Thank you for watching, stay curious, and remember, some mysteries are best to be left unresolved.
Romeo, Tango, Alpha, Romeo, Tango, message, group 2, 1, group 2, 1, text, whiskey, hotel, Oscar, Lima, Foxtrot, Victor, November, X-ray, uniform, Quebec, Alpha, Whiskey, Bravo, Zulu, Sierra, Foxtrot,